Morning, bro. What you saying, Tommy? What we saying, chat? What we saying, boys? All right, let's go. Just got all the links done. Watching from the lives today. What you saying, bro? Is what we saying? What we saying? Watching from the sidelines today. Fair enough, bro. Fair enough. I mean, yeah, the markets have just been fucking crazy, to be quite honest with you. Fucking crazy this week. Hopefully next week can have a lot better price action. Like, because fucking hell, we've been, what the fuck is going on today and yesterday? What do you mean, bro? The price action wise, or? Let's go on the ticky. Let's go live on the ticky. I just got to send the announcement in, then we're donezo, boys. Yes, boys. Let me know what we're saying, man. You man know the challenge we're running right now. We're running this challenge up. What announcement has it taken? Yeah, boys, let me know what pairs we're looking at. I'm sending this last little announcement in out to do a couple little uploads because we are going to do a little challenge live today. So it's not your regular. It's not your regular, boys. It's really not your regular. Yesterday's live was pretty jokes. Put a dub in the chat if you rated yesterday's live, boys. Dub in the chat if you rated that, man. I think I sent it to the wrong announcements. No, I didn't. Free chat, yes. Alright. Right, we're ready, we're locked and we're loaded, chat. We're ready, we're locked and we're loaded, boys. We're ready, we're locked and we are loaded. We are ready for this challenge. Who's ready in the chat? Who's ready? Let me get some songs on. And boys, don't... Oh yeah, chat, what are we saying on this? Thought this looked quite banging. We'll have a look at this as well, because me and May still ain't decided on a place to go. So if you man have got any suggestions, then we will go there. But alright, let's get some hype in the chat, boys. We're gonna do a challenge today. We're doing the challenge today. We're doing the challenge today, boys. So it's gonna be a fucking great one, man. It's gonna be a really good stream today. We need 1.5% is all we need. 1.5% with spreads is all we need. So what we saying? Should we risk 1% per trade or 0.5? Let me know what you mean. What you want. Let's go, chat. Let's get some hype in the chat right now. Let's get some hype in the chat right now. Yeah, we are on TikTok, bro. We are on TikTok, so yeah, I'll have to show you, man, the screen. Morning, Tommy. Morning, David. What you saying, bro? What you saying, Jed? How you doing? What you saying, Niall? What you saying, Josh? What you saying, Christoph? What you saying, Christos? Naru, what you saying? Aaron, what you saying, bro? Christoph, what you saying? Mason, what you saying? Jacob, what you saying, bro? EU longs. Damn, we've got our first trade. Long time no speak. Come on, Jed. What you saying, Jay? What you saying, KH? Okay, we're getting long entries. Spam. What you saying, local? Tommy, local. EK, Tom, Tobedo, Josh. What you saying? 2%, 1.5%, 2%. Ransom v Don Lone Wolf. We need this one just to give us, just to build our aura of the markets. Just requested a payout, bro. Lovely, man. Lovely. Let's go. Dubs in the chat for Luke. First payout requested, boys. Alright, someone said EU buys literally right now. Literally right now. Alright, longs entry 726. It can't be. Oh, 326. What are we saying on this chat? People are telling me this is the first trade to jump in. People are telling me this is the first trade to jump in. Wait, let me do a quick intro. I'm going to record this bang on YouTube as well. TP 1 to 3. We need fucking 2% to pass the challenge. We need 1.5% to pass the challenge. You man are telling me to 2% risk of 3R trade. Are we... Lock in, man. What are you talking about? We don't need 6%. What are we saying on this one is the first one? What are we saying on this one is the first trade, boys? We could do the intro to the YouTube. Yes, boys, this is part 2 of taking all the trades that my followers tell me to take. So let's get into the fucking video. Okay. What prop firm do you have? Alpha Capital Group, bro. Alpha Capital's best in the UK, man. Can you look at gold? Yeah, no worries, bro. What are you looking at gold? What are you looking at on gold? Alright, that was enough hype for now. How come you're looking to take trades after 10 and tell us not to? Because we're doing I'm doing a challenge today, bro. We're doing a challenge. Basically, whatever trades you lot tell me to take, I will be taking. Simple as that. Simple as that. I'm not going to lie. Josh has already sent a long in on EU, so we might have to take this. What risk are we going to have on this, though? Like, what risk are we taking on this, Josh? Surely, it's a 3 to 1, so surely half risk. Surely half risk. 316 entries, 783 stop loss, thank me later. Everyone's looking to long EU. Stop loss for sure, low, I know, if you know. I'm not gonna lie, Lloyd, I don't know if you're trying to send digs at me, but you are riding a pedal bike in your profile picture, so I think you got a fair few levels through the ranks to get to before you can come with that type of energy in anyone's chat, let alone a Richesse chat. Appreciate the roses, though. Big up to everyone who's in here, man. Big up to everyone in the com that's trying to better themselves today, even though it is a Friday. Most people are just pissing about. Big up to everyone in here that's actually trying to do something useful, trying to do something productive, and have fun, but actually benefit from having fun as well, which is the fucking name of life, really, innit? Everyone's telling me EU longs, so we're going to have to jump in. We're going to have to jump in. We're going to have to jump in EU longs. We're doing a challenge anyway, so we're going to have to jump in right now. We're going to have to jump in. 0.5% risk. Alright. Yo, lucky we didn't get in just yet. Oh, yo, I think we're going to have to get in right now. Do we get in, chat? Do we get in? Alright, let's just get in. Let's just get in. Alright, by the way, chat, if you're on YouTube, I'm going to have to, if you're watching on TikTok, we're live on YouTube as well. I'm going to have to pause you quickly just so I can place the trade, right? I'll be back in a sec. Alright, we're going to have to half risk this. It don't make sense if not. We're going to have to half risk. 5 pip stop loss. I'm just going to live execution it, chat. I'm going to live execution this one, our first trade. The live execution, 1.07. Let's get into this. 1.07. This is your idea, not mine. 1.07. Let's get into the trade. 1.07 live execution. Boys, are we really getting in this? This is looking so many levels of cooked. Mate, we're going to have to change the lot size because this is fucking going to drop quick. Are we really getting in this, chat? Are we really... This is looking so cooked. Are we really getting in this? 316 entry, bro. Stop loss 17276. Alright, and we're in, chat. We're in. We're in. We're in the trade, boys. We are in the fucking trade. Half risk, we're in. Where did we get tagged in? 713 we got tagged in. 1-3 we got tagged in. We're in, boys. We are in. Show you where we got tagged in. We are in the trade. So yeah, chat, if you don't want the stream to pause, then I'd suggest watching on YouTube. This is the first trade, though. Let's load up the next, man. Let's load up the next. Let's load up the next. Let's load up the next. I'll be real, I'm not majorly confident on this, to be honest with you, but... Let me know why you've jumped in this trade. I would literally not even be trying to trade EU and GU right now. I'll be so honest, chat. If you're not here trading to do a challenge, like, you don't even want to trade today. Like, EU and GU, next week might be a bit easier because they've kind of established a trend a bit. They've established, like, a bullish trend now. So that's a little bit nicer. We have got blatant SMT on EU and GU, though. Target Asia high. Bro, we need 1%, chat. We need 1%. Why would I target Asia high if I've risked 0.5%? This one is looking so cooked. Done 8% on the EU sales in pre-London. Lovely, man. Big up the pre-London stream. Always cooking, man. Are you a member, SM, or did you just join that one time, bro? Can't lie, this is looking cooked, boys. This is looking cooked. Risk 2% and aim for 0.5, alright. GBP CAD shorts. Let's have a look at GBP CAD. I'm going to have to bookmark all of these pairs because, yeah, I didn't have any AA batteries. GBP CAD what? GBP CAD shorts. Bro, you lot trying to make me like... You lot trying to make me lose? Are you trying to lose me this challenge? Like, are you trolling right now? Randomly joined. Good luck anyway. Oh, sweet, bro. Lovely, man. Yeah, we do that every day with our members, man. Every Friday we do it with the whole free chat, though. But yeah, Unreal, you can make fucking 8%. That's lovely, bro. What are we saying on GBP? Really selling GBP CAD? Like, really, chat? Like, it looks really bullish, I can't lie. Also running out of vapes like there's no tomorrow, which is a bit concerning. But I got nicked last night as well, which is fucking bullshit. On an Aggie one as well, the guy actually chased... Well, I didn't chase after me, but bro... You would have thought I was, like, suspected for doing an M or something. Personally, I'd stay out now. Fair play, bro. Love to hear it, though, man. We got a lot of people cooking. Got a lot of people cooking. Can you put the P&L on screen? I'm on TikTok stream as well, bro, so I can't. But I'll put it in, like, the top left. I can put it under here, you know. Put it under here. Alright, let's put our current P&L. Current P&L is 7%. Where on earth is the percent thing on the keyboard? Where on earth is the percent thing on the keyboard? 5. Right, you can see the current P&L there in the top left if you're watching on YouTube. What are we getting in? I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't have anything on me or anything. I was just like, he was looking for people robbing houses, bro. He thought I was trying to run away from him. And she just walked into my gaff. Don't sell GBP CAD. Why not? Why not? Why not, bro? So where do we need this to run to, realistically? We need this to run... We genuinely need this to run here only, and then we're past. Yo, we could be cooking. Who was that in my yard? Someone just come into my yard. Actually, don't worry. Risk 2% on 0.2 RR. A few people 0.5 RR. A lot of you have said that. Risk literally nothing on 0.2 RR. Let's see if this hits though, boys. If this one hits, that's the challenge done, bro. Yeah, people are saying GBP CAD, but then other people are saying don't sell. So yeah, let me know what we should do on GBP CAD, man. Let me know. Let me know, chat. Let me know next trade we should get in, boys. What site is this? This is TradingView, bro. Gold sells. Gold sells. Right, we're getting gold. I've been trading for about 5 years. I started 7th of May, just past my 100k. That's unreal, bro. It shows what you can do if you locked in, man. If you lock in. If you lock in for like half a year, it shows how far you can come. I wouldn't fade the pound after the date we've had the last couple of days. Higher inflation, stronger retail sales. And we can see that from our today's opened as well. So I do completely agree with that. I mean, we can see from the impulses we've had. Also, by the way, I wanted to look into this. Didn't actually get around to looking into it yet. We had yen news, didn't we? No, we didn't. What happened with the yen? We did have yen news. Okay. Alright, cool. It's the Bank of Japan. But yeah, the yen had an unreal pump out of nowhere. So this could be good to come back down. Because we know the yen basket's bearish. Like, bro, you don't scare anyone. We know you're still bearish. Oh, baby. We have tapped into that order block. So there could be time for sells on EJ. Yo, Wogwan, lad. What you saying, Bilal? What you saying, bro? Gold sells, gold longs. Everyone's spamming gold sells. GBP CAD, draw liquidity, prior week high. Yeah, everyone's saying to allow the GBP CAD right now. Most people are bullish. So I'm going to leave it for now. Majority of people in the chat are saying it's bullish. Gold, though. Everyone's spamming gold. We really have to do it, don't we? We have to, really, for the culture. We have to do it. You can see prices continuing bullish yesterday off that fair value gap. We get that movement a lot when gold's in these like parabolic runs. Have a little fair value gap and we'll just minutely tap in and run. What are we saying on gold? Long gold, gold sells. What are we saying? I'm getting... Gon said gold longs. Yates is spamming gold sells. Absolutely spamming it. Whereabouts are you trying to get in, bro? What made EJ drop so much this morning? We had BOJ press conference, bro. Gold sells is criminal. Do you know what I mean? Like, boys, we're just trying to fade positions. I don't know why. I would say after we filled this fair value gap, we're looking to go long. We didn't even fill it, but you can see we don't really properly fill these fair value gaps when gold's so bullish like that. No, gold's going to do what gold wants to do. I'd more be looking at if there's a possible inversion in this leg that we could get in off. Probably on the 10 minute. No. There's literally nothing, to be fair, in terms of this leg we can get in on. Oh, no, wait. Well, there's this fair value gap here. This has already been mitigated as well, which is nice. And there's this tiny fair value gap here as well. Oh, I'm saying look at gold. Fair play. Like, done. Appreciate that, bro. Let me know when we put our stops at break even on this. Don't look any further. Okay, it's getting cooked. Let me know, chat. People are saying gold. What are we going? Gold sells. If we're only getting gold sells, we're going to have to go gold sells. I'll be real. Only people are saying is gold sells. So we might have to jump in. Because gold dislikes me. Whatever I say, I do the opposite. That's actually a good strategy. Where do you want it to go in reality? We'll actually do that. We'll make that the defining way. If we get in on gold. Whatever reality says, we'll do the opposite. What's an ideal starting amount of money in Forex? Probably like $1,000, bro. Just so either whether you want to go down the personal trading route or down the prop firm route, you got enough money to sort of be a little bit comfy. You don't want to have your last 200 quid in trading. Like, it's going to be so hard on your mental. Alright, well that's both of my vapes cooked. It's annoying. It's going to be needed for this stream, but it's alright. Kind of pure vibes right now. Sell gold now. All right, we're getting gold. People are saying sell gold, bro. You want me to get cooked, don't you? All right, sell gold now. Entry 34 to 30, bro. Do you know how big that range is? All right, someone that's coin flip for gold. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Do I have a coin up here? I don't even have a coin. I've got one in my... I must have a coin. I would buy, though, then it would reverse off that FVG. So, okay, everyone's spamming sells at 35. I'll be honest, we're going to have to. We're going to have to. It's the challenge at the end of the day. It ain't what I want, it's what the chat is saying. And if the balls are going quiet and the bears are coming through, then we're going to have to. None of you lot are saying a TP or a stop loss, which is kind of annoying. So, yeah, we're going to need a stop loss and a TP. We're going to need a stop loss and a TP. We're going to need a stop loss and a TP, chat. So, let me know where. Let me know where. I keep forgetting this fucking vape run out. Crazy to short right now. Yeah, that's what I think. A lot of buy pressure. Buy. Boys, people are telling me two different things. We need a conclusive answer for me to actually get into gold. So I'm going to wait until you lot can actually decide on a bias. I'm going to wait till you lot can decide on a bias. Gold is going those relatively age at equal highs. I mean, that would make sense as well. That's what I would personally be looking for. I feel like if you just went... Boom. 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 Probably try and get a slightly better entry just so the RR isn't terrible. If we can tap into that. That's what I'll be going for. On this challenge, bear in mind we need 1% chat. Like, that's all we need is 1%. Got the name of Spencer Rags on my appearance. Yeah, I know that they hate. Conclusive answer, NQ shorts. I can't even trade NQ on there though, bro, which is annoying. What are you saying on EU? We're in longs, bro. We're in longs right now. That RR would be crap. Yeah, bro, we're doing a challenge today, so we literally... If you want to see what the challenge is, boys, go watch my recent upload. I'm only placing trades that you lot tell me to place. This is part 2 of the challenge. Last Friday we made 7%. Well, last Friday we made 3%. Then I made 4%. So we only need 1% to pass the account right now. This could be a one and done type job though, by the looks of things. This could be a one and done, like, that would be insane. Chat, let me know what YouTube video do you want me and Mace to do IRL, innit? And don't say what you initially thought, because it ain't happening. Alright, so what a tune, trust me. This is oh mate. Bro, I used to listen to this song. This was like my trading song. You know when you're like you know when you first learn about trading and you're not profitable and like you have that song that just locks you in and just makes you think, yeah, one day I'm gonna be cooking one day, and this is that song for me. So I'm gonna have to reload it by force. Are you long in the EU? Yeah, bro. My first TB hit on gold. What are you in longs? Can you put P&L on screen? I'm on TikTok, bro, so I can't put P&L on screen. But I mean, you can kind of imagine what it is. We're up 7% right now. I mean, oh. Let me quickly check. Let me check what we're up, yo. I'm gonna have to bang you man on pause. If you want to stop going on pause and you want to see my P&L, go to the YouTube stream, Richesse Effects on YouTube. We're 1 hour up on this trade, and I'm gonna set my TP. We need equity-wise $120 to pass. So I'm gonna set my TP to that exact amount. TP was here. Alright. This is the TP chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We literally need we need 1.2% to pass the account. We've got half risk on this. So this is going to pass us if it hits TP. Whoever said to put that trade, that is a straight dub. He literally came in the live and said it after 2 seconds. I think it was EK and Josh. Yeah, it was Josh and EK, a combined effort. And they was the first people that came in. Yo, TP stop loss entry, bomb straight, and we got in. I'm short on EU after 1 hour SysD. Oh, that's cool, bro. I actually wanted to win a trade this morning. No, I'm joking. Short of the 1 hour SysD. Where is the 1 hour? Alright, do you mean here? I'm assuming you mean here. Assuming you mean there. You're in since there. That's funnily enough right where our TP is. Oh, fair play, bro. Fair play. What made you want to get in that? I'm done for the day, waiting for my target. Fair enough, bro. BE, mark my word. Should we go break even on this then, yeah? 493929415565. Remember, I don't trade gold and it hates me. I'll bear that heavily in mind then. Yo, we going break even on this though? I feel like we should go break even on this. Or we holding it? Off the body. Anyone new? Yeah, jump in the Discord, boys, if you're new around here. Lou, ever since you came to Wembley, we've lost 15 in 27. You've cursed us. And for some reason, Sunderland are like unbelievable as well. Don't force it. Yeah, that was ridiculous, bro. That was actually ridiculous. I've actually never gone to a game where it's been that flat after. Like just the the depression after a game after that game was unlike nothing I've ever seen, I'll be honest. That was next level depression, bro. Took it as well, so wasn't confident either, but doesn't look bad up until now. TP as at 525 though. 525. Oh. Oh, fair play, a little bit. Oh, Asia high. Yeah, it makes sense. If we can react off this fair value gap and continue higher, we are looking so good. It's almost a joke. Chat, don't fade this live, trust me. We're going to pass this challenge, like, with ease. With ease. Going to pass the challenge with ease. Should we go break even, though, chat? You might need to start talking more in the chat, I'll be honest. You need to be letting me know exactly how to act. AUDCHF enter shorts. What are you saying on AUDCHF shorts? What are you saying on shorts for this? Genuinely not moved since taking that high. Bro, why are you just looking at the most bullish pairs and then telling me short? Are you actually trolling? We have had a CRT of this candle. Wow, really? To be fair, the CRT's already been completed anyway. JPY's crazy right now, 200 pip move, one candle. Yeah, man, it's the Bank of Japan. I'm still looking for it to come down, though. Where are you from? Essex, bro. We literally went 2-0 up in 30 minutes. I know, bro, like, it was actually insane. Mental how that disallowed goal changed everything. Oh, it's that one pass. I can't remember who it was that just gave away such a simple pass. Didn't know how important that was going to be. Shorts on this, yeah. We kind of took that CRT higher, had a big rejection, but then filled this order block. Shorts could be alright, to be fair. Why does this song always come on? Oh, Euro's right back down, boys. Right back down. Can see why you'd want to be shorts. I can see that. Are we agreeing with this? Is this even the pair we asked for? AUD, yeah, no, it is. AUD sells. Why don't you just hold shift to straighten the line? Because my keyboard ran out of battery, bro. So I can't even do that. It's bare annoying. It's actually so annoying, isn't it? You don't realise what you have till it's gone. Let me just say that. Are we getting in these shorts then, or what? We getting in these shorts? Gold longs, is it going to go down and fly back up? What pair for, Nader? Keith and Moore, he's smashing it. He's now smashing it at Wrexham. It's so peak. EUG sells. We're currently in buyers in this challenge, bro. USD TRY. We'll never trade USD TRY. No matter how much you ask, no matter how much money I get offered, no matter how much money there is to be made, I'm never going to be trading USD TRY. It's never going to happen, never will happen, never has happened, never going to happen. Stop asking. Thank you, Mehmet. Cheers. Keyboard's still out of battery. Keyboard is still out of battery. USD what? USD TRY. For some reason, Mehmet is like insistent almost for me to trade this pair. Don't know if he's trying to rage bait me. Don't know if he's being serious. Either way, I'm not doing it. I'm not going to get drawn into doing it. It's not happening. It's just not happening. Not happening. We put a better song on than this because this is like low energy, very low energy. It's better. What are we saying, chat? We're literally all I've got is these buyers. That's all I've got right now. All I've got right now is these buyers. It's all anyone's saying. So stop. They keep going. You lose your life, but it's gonna keep going. All that. Is it true that you're called the beast from the east in the bedroom? What does that even mean, bro? The beast from the east. Why have I heard that before as well? What the fuck is that? I'm actually gonna have to Google what that is. Bro's actually got me feeling. Beast of the East. What the fuck is that? Isn't that the panther that got like lost in? Oh, it's just snow. Oh, it's a cyclone. Yeah, they do call me that. They do call me the beast from the east. Yeah, that's actually true. Gold longs. Okay, to be fair, this guy's spamming out gold longs, so we're low-key gonna have to. Entry 2-3. 2-3, 6, 7, 6. The only thing on gold is actually really hard for me to. Oh, for fuck's sake, really? So hard to use this without a laptop, man. It's actually a joke. Without a keyboard, it's actually a fucking joke. What do you mean? Okay, it just didn't change. Bro, it's just not gonna let me do it. 2-3. I'm just gonna have to do it roughly because I ain't pissing about like that. It's ridiculous. They got me doing 2-3, 6, 7, 6. That'll do. 6, 8, 6 will do. So that's 15, 3, 7, 7. Okay, so this guy wants us to scalp horrendously. 15, 3, 7. Oh wait, bro, where's the TP gone, bro? TP age height. Oh my god, bro. We need 1%, bro. We need 12. We need 1.2%. Why in God's green earth would I aim for a 5.5 hour trade if I need 1.2% to pass? Just stop for a second and think. Why would I do that? I don't know if you're trolling. I don't know what's going on. I need 1.2R to pass. That's all I need. 1.2R is all I need. Run by DJ Catch, Emmy and Perez. Get your hips moving, Luke. All right. Not gonna lie. This is a heavily requested song, so we're gonna put this on. We're gonna put this on. Then only take 1%. What's the point of? The point of having a 5R trade to close it at 1R. Right, so we're actually going to be closing it here then. At the current high. So this is your trade. Are you happy with that? Alright, so I've realised what it is now. It's basically this low. To this high, okay. What are we saying on this? 1 if you want me to take this, 2 if I shouldn't. 1 if I should take it, 2 if I shouldn't. 1 if I should take it, 2 if I shouldn't, chat. I want to wait for everyone to answer in the chat, and then we're either going to jump in this chat or not, jump in this trade or not jump in this trade. Long EU, stop loss below 4 hour. Yeah, we're already long on EU, bro. We're already long on EU, brother. What pair? It says in the bottom right, bro. This is gold right now. Right, we're going to put on the Aura song. This song. Right, we're going to have to put on this song because it's just got by far the most Aura. And then we'll put. One, I'm getting bare 1s if we should take it. 2 if I shouldn't. 2. I'm getting more 1s than 2s, I'll be real. We're going to have to take this one. I think it's too personal. Alright, let me get a lot size calculator. Oh my god, this is so autistic, bro. I ain't got no stretch at home. Alright, 83.4 pip stop loss. Account size. Oh, the aura of this song's off the charts. Off the charts. Risk, we're going to be risking 1% on this. Stop loss in pips is going to be 83. Bro, why isn't this lot size calculator working? We'll wait for it to land. People are telling me to jump in, so we'll jump in. What time frame, bro? This is the 2 minute time frame, bro. 2 minute. What's good? That's good. Yes, mate. Wait, what? Yo, what you saying? Chilling. What about you? Yeah, mate. 2 sweaty men in the dark garage. Yo, your neighbour stretching out in the garage sounds sus, man. I can't lie. Sometimes I'll look away from the YouTube chat, come back and be like, geez, is this just the ramblings of a madman? Like, we just got people, like, it's like a dementia-ridden carer, and people are just speaking random things. Like, what on earth are you lot talking about? And also, more of a bigger question, why is this not working? Why is my lot size calculator not working? Account size, let me show you, man, look. Ready? Account size. 10,700. Risk to reward ratio, 1% risk. Stop loss in pips, 83. Trade size, 0.01, calculate. Okay, now it comes up. Bro, what is that about? Okay, 1.09. Okay, we're going to get in this one. Going to get in this one right now, chat. We're going to get in this one. Let's go. Chat, if you don't want to keep getting put on pause, go to my YouTube. You can see my P&L, but I've got to obviously pause this every time I place a trade. So, yeah. Let me place this trade. I'll be back. Right, we're at break even again on this trade, chat. Let's trade some gold. Did we trade gold at all last time? We didn't even touch gold last time. We didn't even trade gold at all last time. Who was here for last episode? I want to know that at least some people was here, because we actually did well last time. Okay, 1.29. That is 83. Yeah, 83. Entry 238. Stop loss 15.34. 32.615. 932.61. There we go. We're placed and we're locked and loaded on gold. We are locked and loaded on gold. This is how we're looking. Alright, we got these placed, so let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Can you trade Bitcoin? I think you might be able to. I was here. We passed phase 1 with USDTRY. We actually passed phase 1 by avoiding USDTRY at all costs, which is the strategy I'm actually going to be taking into today. Scroll up in the chat. Okay, I'm not even going to scroll up in the chat. No idea what you lot are talking about. Gold sells. Okay, not going to lie. Everyone's spamming gold this, gold that, gold this, gold that. Someone was saying gold buys, so we're getting in gold buys. We've got this placed as a limit, and that's it. We're getting in this. Let's get some dubs in the chat, boys. You think we're going to pass this challenge? Yes or no? We're 7% up. We need... Okay, let me actually change this. Let me change this a bit so you lot can see it. Can I make it bigger as well? Sweet. Why does it love this song so much? Oh, you man can see my P&L now. You man can see my P&L. What we saying on YouTube? I think a few people are going over to the YouTube stream, which is what I like, boys. We've got 80 man on the YouTube. Why is that the entry, though? I don't know. I'm literally following whatever the chat tells me to do. Whatever the chat tells me to do is what I'm doing. 490. Yeah, we've already got this place, bro. So, basically the same trade, Cooper. I think you can trade Bitcoin. Nipsey Hussle overtime. Okay. Fuck off. Hopefully this can tap us in and not just edge us about. Okay, let's put this song request on. Bearing in mind, if this TPs, it's all we need, by the way. So if this TPs and then your gold trade loses, like, you're actually bang out of order for that. Whoever told us to get into these gold trades. Come on, chat, let's go. Do we have news today, by the way? Anything left? 2:45. All we got is flash manufacturing PMI. That's calm. Yeah, we did have that. We did have that mad JPY news, boys. So I will look into what that is, because obviously I'm still confident the yen basket will continue lower, but I do actually a little bit want to know what they said in this fucking meeting. So let's actually look into this real quick. Where's the entry on gold? It's 2.3, isn't it? Yeah, 2.3. Let's have a look what actually caused that. Okay, get out my face, please. What time was it? What time was this news? 3. It was around about 3. So if we scroll down to 3, it should be able to tell us exactly what it was. 4 a.m. Okay, here we go. Bank of Japan leaves short-term rate on hold as expected. As expected, so why? BOJ holds rates, lifts core inflation outlook, dissent highlights inflation risk. Right, okay. So they keep going on about the inflation risk. Okay, that makes sense why we've pumped them. I mean, if they hike interest rates, then that'll be actually pretty crazy. It might actually affect the JPY, but for now I think we're good on the JPY. For now I think we're good, chat. Okay, we're like halfway there. If we can move another 5 pips, we've passed the challenge, boys. Another 5 pips and we've passed the challenge. Let's go. Gold. Yeah, we got a limit already on gold, bro. Remember, Lou, the explanation. Remember, Lou, the market owes you no explanation. Yeah. That guy thought he was super based. You might actually be pushing, trust me, bro. Lou, have you ever heard of USDTLY? Giving it a look, bro. Best pair in there. Bro, not too long ago, I actually kind of liked Turkey as a country. Day by day, Mehmet Avlanmaz has made me slowly but surely despise the country. Slowly but surely despise the country, mainly through their currency, I'll be honest. What's the limit on gold? It's a buy limit, bro. It's buy limit here, as told to do by the chat. As told to do by the chat. Pretty much at this 5-minute imbalance, just a little bit above. We need the DXY to just continue down. Bro, it really should. Like, let's be honest. Let's actually go on the higher time frame on DXY. See what we can really gauge from it. Fucking hell, does he want to say anything else to end off this song? Been speaking about it for time. Put some good tunes on. This is what I'm talking about. It's exactly what I'm talking about, to be honest. The best thing about Turkey is a kebab. Now, Turkey do have banging food. You got to give them that. They do have very good food, and food for a certain situation. Not many foods, chat, you can have when you can have a Turkish, if you know what I mean. Like, think about that for a second. You want a nice big meal, you can have Chinese, you can have Indian, you can have American barbecue, you can have anything for a big meal. Finish the night out, or like late at night, and you need something quick but nice and kind of healthy, bro, you got a kebab right there. Nothing, no other menu can do that. Nothing else can do that. Second of all, you got your chicken sheesh and rice, and chicken sheesh and rice is actually really healthy, and also maybe one of your 5 a day as well if you get salad with it. And the people, I don't know if you're saying they're good people or bad people, but yeah. So alright, yeah, let's just quickly get into the analysis on this, because this is going to be beneficial for next week. So let's actually seriously do some analysis. So we filled this imbalance. We filled this imbalance here. So really we should be running to this low now. Should be targeting this low. Should be target. Okay, that's a fucking. Am I an idiot? Alright, cool. So realistically, if we just get rid of this quickly, it seems you can see it a little bit clearer. We've filled our weekly internal, so we should really come for our external now. We've started that trend, so really that trend should just continue. Really, this trend should just continue to the downside. Yeah, this is DXY, bro. Kebab with garlic sauce, trust me. Absolute flames. You got to rate that. Got to rate that. Chicken sheesh and rice is my go-to. Yeah, chicken sheesh and rice is banging. Who see Jim Skin saying he basically everything in his life he evaluates on chicken sheesh and rice. If he wins, if he spends £10, that's 1 chicken sheesh and rice. If he loses £20, that's 2 chicken sheesh and rice. I want to know for a start where he's getting his chicken sheesh and rice for a tenner from. But it's kind of a good way of seeing the world. I can't lie. But yeah, that's what we're seeing really, chat. That's what we're seeing for me. So I do think we're going to continue lower to that external. Do we have any monthly CRT? I think we do as well. Yeah, we do have monthly CRT as well. You can see from this high here to here. So realistically, we should be targeting this low here as well. Let's dot this out so it's not too much in the way. But yeah, you can see our price has obviously November. We manipulated the highs of October. December, we had obviously a conclusive bearish candle. And then if we look at what happened in this month, obviously January, first couple of weeks were trying to push us higher. And then this week has just been massively to the downside, obviously led by fundamental things in the market. So really, we're looking for the market now on a pretty much a higher time frame basis to continue down. That's what I want. I want us to continue down, continue to sell off. So ideally, EU and GU, we can move higher. And again, let's do the same on EU just while we're waiting. 4 hour candle going to pump us on gold. Hopefully, going to pump us, but in a bad way. Let me delete some of the things off of this chart just so we're a bit cleaner in what we're looking at. Bro, why does this thing not want to get deleted, bro? Accept your fate and get deleted. Fucking hell. Yeah, let's do the higher time frame analysis on the euro as well, just so you man can see. Bro, please let me delete. Category. Alright, yeah, so on the weekly again, if we look at what's happening, if we get rid of all these stuff on our charts, we can see we've got this internal order block here, which we have mitigated. Sometimes it can be easier if you just narrow your chart down a bit. It can be a lot easier. When I say narrow it down, I just mean get things off of it. Just delete everything off so it's a bit clearer. So we got that, and then we got this external high since mitigating that order block. Why do I keep drawing that? We've got this external high. Gold's kind of running off right now, chat. What are we saying? We keeping the limit or are we changing it? Then on the monthly as well, we can see we do have that CRT with that low being swept. And we've got this higher to come into. Where's the CRT low that was swept? I can't even really see that. 100 man in here. Oh my god, whoever said hold shift when you make trend lines, you're a legend. No way, bro, never knew that. That's crazy. Lovely. Us Turks will love you forever after those comments. Come on, big up the Turks in the chat if there is any. Where is the external low? Because I really... Do you know what I mean, chat? Am I bugging out or am I not bugging out here? Alright, no, I'm being an idiot. I'm being an idiot. So that old CRT has been completed, but we do have another one here. So basically on DXY we have this bearish CRT of the prior candle, as we said, the October candle, which we've got to come into. Whereas EU, we have completed that October CRT. You can see the October candle has been manipulated and then ran into the high. But we now have it on the current month candle, which is December manipulation from January. So let's see if we got the same on the pound as well. We actually don't really have it on the pound, which is fine. But it's nice to see. So now we can see a little bit more plain and a little bit clearly what we're doing. So we swept that low. We should be trading up into this high. Let's just drag this across a little bit as well. Okay, so we swept that low. We should trade into this high. DXY. We swept this high here, so we should trade into the low. I'm going to have to move this as well because this looks dumb. So yeah, we're looking good. Big up, appreciate that, bro. Big up Turkey. Okay, I thought you was bigging up me. Alright, so that's basically how we're looking on the DXY. So we got our manipulation, our target, our external low, and what we were trading into right now. EU, we got the same thing, slightly different way around. We've got our order block here that we've tapped into. We've got our external low we've manipulated, and our external high that we're trading into. GU, this is the one that often is unaligned, so we're going to obviously delete again. We're just going to clear up our chart, just so we got a better view. I will do some volume analysis as well, chat, just so we know. GU's got that really nice monthly CRT, as well. Like GU on the monthly is basically perfection, like at this point. Is this what is this? A weekly? Okay, we'll keep that on. Actually, we'll keep that there. Actually, no, we won't. Just trying to track around what we've been doing on GU. Remember, it's really important to do this in order to get a clean view of next week. You don't want to come into next week blind and start doing this shit on Monday. It's just going to cook you. Again, we can see the CRT, which has been completed. So we got this low, which was swept. See that low there, which was swept. And then we then traded into this high, which is now... Well, it was completed last month's candle, so December's candle. Same with EU, not exactly the same, because with EU we actually took out the prior candle's low. But with GU we've got a big down wick, and then you can see the bulls ended up winning the candle pretty much, and looks like we're going to continue higher. If we go on the weekly, yeah, that's the weekly as well, that manipulation there. But yeah, we don't really have as much of a target on GU. We've only really got that external target, to be honest with you. We've only really got that external target. On the daily, we may have... okay, so on the daily, we can see we took that CRT low and then came into our order block. So it's nice that we're coming higher. And then, obviously, we've got this external higher. So GU's probably the one with the least amount of upside in terms of a target. But if we look at the monthly CRT, like, GU looks almost... I don't know what word I can use on TikTok, to be fair, for how nice it looks, chat. I'm trying to not look at EU for a bit as well, because it was... Oh, that gold's in and out, I think. Whoever told us about the gold, bro, you're actually, like... I do not like you, innit, as a person. Yeah, looking at the DXY... sorry, at the GU, though, we can see we've got this bullish leg here. On the monthly, price has come down to fill the only fair value gap in the range. Filled it perfectly. We had CRT within that, and then we've just traded up into that higher, so really nice. Yeah, whoever told me gold buys, you're a loser, bro. You're an absolute loser, whoever that was. Whoever told me gold buys, Poor shout. Absolutely poor shout. Absolutely poor shout, it's looking like. It's looking like a woeful shout, to be honest with you. It's looking like a terrible shout. I'm not going to lose all hope, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you've cooked us. Pretty sure you've cooked us. Who was it? Where are you in the chat? Where are you in the chat? Who was it in the chat that said gold shorts? Go on, be honest. Be honest, where are you? Make yourself known. I bet you won't talk anymore either. Who was it? Okay, Cooper, you for a start. You said to buy, and we're getting absolutely cooked. Gone as well. Okay, Cooper and Gone, you're both very to blame for this. Very to blame. Gold TP hit. Gold. Why don't you trade New York for continuation trade? Why don't you trade New York for continuation? Yeah, we will, bro. We will. I'd think it hit your stop loss though. Wait, what do you mean, bro? Lamau Diddy. Yeah, mad Diddy candle. Mad Diddy candle. And a Diddy on EU as well. Challenge has not started well. Challenge has not started well at all. At all, man. It's been a terrible start to the challenge, boys. 2 L's. We've gone from 6.8% to we will shortly be 5.3%, which is not good, boys. You man need to lock in for real. You man for real need to lock in, man. You're blowing this challenge for me, man. After all the work I put in to get us back to the good target, you man are fucking it down the drain. You need to lock in, boys. You need to lock in. This ain't good enough. AUD CAD buyers. Come on, chat. I can't believe that, man. I really can't believe that. Shut up, man. AUD CAD buyers. What we're saying on AUD CAD buyers. Bit of a random pair, I'm not going to lie, but we could just go for it. I really... Okay, to be fair, buyers. Wait, did you say buyers? Yeah, buyers, to be fair. G was shifted on the 1 minute. Hope it sells. Do you get in, bro? Yeah, we can't trade NAS, bro. Dylan, we can't trade NAS on there. AUD CAD buyers. Okay. So annoying not being able to have the shift thing. It actually really, like, makes it a lot harder to use. So this is the current CRT. That's the old one which has been completed. This is the new one. Oh, mate, I hate when you click cancel. So yeah, chat, I'm taking all the trades that you man tell me to place. Simple as that. And this is the next one that people are telling me. This is the next one that people are telling me. So people are saying to buy this. Completed that sell-off. Yeah, we have completed the Asia low. How have we got an inversion within this leg? How have we got an inversion within this leg? Because we do have a fair value gap there. If we can invert this, then it will be clear for buyers up to that 4-hour high. But if not, it's going to be a little bit difficult. Because you can see, currently we are reacting off this. USD CAD, NZD. Alright, a lot of people are saying oil up those who said buy. Oh, we will. Oh, we will. We're getting a lot of comments come through now. You can trade now. Oh, you might be out of, bro. Yeah, let me know your entry, exit, and all that, Dylan. I'll mark it on. What time you get up to start charting, bro? You want to be on the charts for London session 7 AM, really? Because that's European Central Bank Open. Most of your moves aren't really going to come through till 8, but still, what the time you want to sort of be locked in. Yeah, let me know what you're looking for on AUD CAD. Sorry, yeah, AUD CAD. People are saying USD CAD. What's EU saying? EU, okay, EU, okay, I hear it. EU needs to break past these highs though, man. Mate, we've rejected this so many times. Surely we do just come into this fair value gap now. Oh, bro, whoever told me to get in buys, like, honestly, you lot are actually, like, my enemies in life. Hold my beer, I'll let you know. I said hold my beer at 11 AM. To be fair, it's a Friday. Alright, let me see. It's not over. Gold bars are not over yet. Not over yet. Oh, yeah, that's true. That's true. I've got to be more positive. You know what it is? It's the music, bro. I'm not positive enough. I'm not positive. I'm being negative, and it's not helping us. I can tell me being negative is coming through to the chat as well. It's coming through to the chat. Me being negative is moving through to the chat, and that means you lot are sending not optimal trades, which I will take the blame for. So I'm gonna have to increase the vibe in here. Increase the vibe, right? And we're gonna have to put on some dance music for that. This is a good one. I'll rate this one. All right, come on. All right. Nah, even future everyday hustle is too low. We need some, like, do you know what I mean? Get us going, properly get us in the zone. Does your Discord teach how to do this or just give signals? How much a month? We have both, bro. We do have a mentorship where we teach exactly how to do this, bro. Only £40 a month. We want to make ours cheap so people stay month on month on month, rather than just charging someone a load of money for a shit level of service. But you'll be able to know in the chat, boys. The amount of people, even today, I've already had 2 people message me saying they requested their first payout from our group, which is crazy, dub. People are saying USD CAD sells. A lot of people, well, USD CAD sells. Only one person said USD CAD sells. Yo, while I'm looking at this, everyone check USD CAD sells and let me know if it's optimal. Let me know, chat. Come on. We're in buys, bro. If you want to... Oh. Wait. Contains themes some people might find uncomfortable. Why did I get restricted? What did I do? It didn't even say what I did, bro. Mate, I think that was because of the music, bro. Just got took off the FYP for literally no reason. Cheers, Diggity. Check mentorship chat, Lou. Wait, where? I'm in the mentorship chat. Wait, what? What are you talking about, bro? Can I play this on... Okay. Can I play this on TikTok or not? Come on here, you push up. Trust me, bro. Gold's pushing, though. GBP CAD sells cooking. Nah, they ain't. Chill. Well, a little bit, I suppose. Actually, yeah, no, they are. They actually are. Fair enough. They are cooking. Oh, this gold's fucked us, man. Because this is 1% risk. We've got 1% risk on this and then only half on EU. So... Okay, that was alright. That's my signal. Everyone on TikTok Live is taking it low in a downtrend. Wait, what? What was the occasion to look for a long? Essentially, bro, we're doing a challenge right now, which is whatever trades the chat tells me to place is going to be the exact trades that I do place on my funded account or the challenge. So that is what we're doing right now. Literally exactly what we're doing. Someone said EU longs, we jumped in EU longs. Someone said gold longs, we jumped in gold longs. Stop forcing matters. Gold dumping today. We'll see, bro. Nas long 50% of the 5-minute FG. How far are we from tapping in, bro? Everyone on TikTok live is taking it in a downtrend. What do you mean everyone on TikTok live? Is bro like a TikTok live trading scout or something? Just in and out, in and out, in and out. I think this is going to hit TP and gold's going to go stop loss. I think my pill. Edge at 5 min, not far from tapping him. Oh, yeah, this is cooked. Whoever told us gold, man. Whoever told us gold. Oh, mate. Mate, whoever told us gold. Whoever told... Yo, it hasn't came up. Yo, did I have it on the wrong account? Don't tell me I had it on an actual big account. Yo, don't tell me I had it on the wrong account. I didn't. Where is it? Yo, I think we caught live. I think we caught live. It's not even coming up on my P&L. Yo, where did I have that placed then? It doesn't even... It's not even on my gold chart either. And I definitely did get into it. Yo, what the hell? Yo. I didn't have it on this account. No. Didn't have it on this 200k. Thank God. Didn't have it on this 200k. No. Didn't have it on this 200k. And then this one I really hope I didn't have it on. No, I didn't have it on... No, I didn't have it on this either. Yo, we just caught life. Their system must have just bugged and said we didn't get in. Yo. Okay. What just happened? I'm sure I placed it. Wait. I've got to check this. I'm sure I did though. I'm sure I did. Let me check this. I'm sure I placed it. I'm sure I placed this trade. Let's go back to when we placed it. When was it? It was before this as well, wasn't it? Yeah, look here. Yeah, that's the gold limit there. Yo, what the hell? What even just happened there? That is crazy. I removed it. I promise you I didn't even remove it, bro. I promise you I didn't even remove it. Yo, what the hell just happened? Why can that never happen on an account I actually somewhat actually care about? Gold to 6,000 today. Bro, for some reason, boys, that gold didn't stop me out. For some reason, they just said I didn't place it. It literally said I didn't place it. Yeah, that was a woeful trade, though. Literally not 1 ounce of profit. Not 1 drip of profit was to be seen from that trade. Yo, and we could be cooking. Yo, this could... Yo, I'm so confused right now. That scam now buy gold. Wait, what? Yo, we didn't get tapped out of the gold trade. It just didn't even come up, but I had it placed. Why would the limit have deleted itself? I never checked that it was actually in. I just saw on the chart that it was in. And it doesn't even come up that I've deleted it. Yo, chat, we're cooking. What the hell? Come on. Just go past this and we're good. Just go past this fair value gap and we're good. Or do we close it at the fair value gap higher? Come on, chat. Yo, we might pass this challenge. We may pass this challenge with this. We may pass this challenge. How many pips do we need to move? 3 pips to pass the challenge, chat. 3 pips to pass the challenge. We are 3 pips away from passing the challenge. 3 pips away from passing the challenge, chat. We're about to pass the challenge any second now. Any second now we're about to pass the challenge. I don't know what do your rules say. There's no reason it should have been. Close it. What are we saying? People are saying close it. People are saying close it. People are saying close it. What do we do? I think we go break even, right? Yo, I'm gonna go break even. Let me go break even. I'll be back on my chat in a sec. Let me go break even. 2 secs. I'm gonna go break even. This is how we're looking. We are $50 off passing the account right now. As you can see, we are literally $50 off passing the account right now. Our full TP is going to make us 122, and all we need to pass is 116. Right, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even right now, chat. Stop loss at break even, so we're risk free on this. We are risk free. Stop loss at break even, and we're running. Stop losses at break even. Don't be a lussy. Hold it. Chat's saying hold it, so I'm going to hold it. Someone said close, bro. Close it. Run it. Yo, you need to spam the chat. Spam the chat with ones. Spam the chat with ones if I should... Ones if I should leave it. Twos if I should close it. 1 to leave it open. 2 if I should close it. Spam the chat up. So that's the only way I'm going to be able to tell, because people are saying either things. If this hits TP chat, then we pass the account. We're 3%. We're 3 pips off. 2 pips off now. 2 pips off passing the account. Less than 3 pips off passing the account, chat. Let's go. Let's lock in, chat. Everyone lock in with 3 pips off passing the account. Let's go. Let's go. Melodies. 1, 1, 1. People's telling me to open it. 1, you'll be now, so that's calm. Yo, we're closing in, chat. We filled this fair value gap. Okay, let's open it to the 15. Because what's this? The 5 minute, right? Yeah, this is the 5 minute fair value gap. We got the 15 here. Yo, chat, we're nearly past. Yo, we're 2 pips off passing the account, chat. Let it run. Okay, people are saying let it run. 50% of the order block. I'll be real, the TP's literally just set to what I need to pass the account at. But it kind of looks like we could reverse at this fair value gap, which is why I'm thinking, do we just close it and get in another trade? Do you know what I mean? That's what I would have maybe done. Just closed it at this high, or even like now. And then we would have been... And then we would have needed like a tenner to pass the account. That's what I would have personally done, but it's calm. You man are in control, as I said. Close it, got partials. What are we saying? Do we take partials or not? 38 special by myself. Play this, bro. Good luck. I knew for sure I'd be rich. Come on, Jamar. 38 special. Why do I feel like this is going to be a drill song? And to be fair, Lou, it's pretty obvious to keep saying 38 special. Where's this guy from? I mean, if you're happy with B, let it run. Yeah, I've got BE. Do not close it, Louis. It does you no good. Oh, wait. Yeah. Facts. We are literally 3 pips off passing the account, boys. 3 pips off passing the account. Let me just make a note that we've gone BE on this chat. Yo, bro, don't be telling me songs where that's got lyrics like that, bro. Man said FNs, 90% of y'all are ours. Like, bro, do you want me to get taken off this app? Holy shit, do not be telling me songs like that, bro. What the hell? Do not be telling me songs like that again, please. Really don't want to get this account gone for no reason, just for a song. Alright. What song is that? I don't know, bro. It's the most like... I've never heard any drill rapper use that word, the R word. I've never heard that. What you enter off. 1 minute, bro. But also, I'm literally entering whatever the chat tell me to enter, boys. Basically, I'm trying to get my chat to pass me a funded account for me. And we are 6.8% up. As you can see there, P&L 6.8%. And currently, we're in this long as well. So we literally need 3 pips and then we pass the account, boys. 3 pips and we pass the account. We're at a really dangerous point to be holding past right now, though. I'm not going to lie. We do need the DXY to continue down. If the DXY can continue down to literally just here, then we'll be good. Just to here and we'll be good. Let's look at the DXY for 2 secs. Past phase 1 of phase 2. Phase 1, bro, and then next week we'll be doing phase 2 on Friday as well. So this is what we do, man. This is what we do in the chat, boys. We risk it all for the team. We risk it all every time, man. Why not, bro? You only live once. Why not? Plus, I rate my conboys. I go live every day. Like, we like to have fun and that, so... Chat killing it. Chat's killing it. Trust me, Richesse boys know how to trade. Facts. You lot are actually cooking. I can't lie. I mean, we kind of caught life on that gold, but... Yo, let's rewind King Von's verse. Dubs in the chat, boys. Dubs in the chat. Do you think the account is going to pass? Risk it to get a biscuit. Facts. Facts. Oh, he starts still up and down. Doing all that woofing, he ain't even me. Nearly got shot in the party, started all the shaking of the teeth. Come on, boys. Let me get ready for the account passing ceremony. Let me just get ready for the account passing ceremony. You get ready for the account passing ceremony, boys. Just getting ready for the account passing ceremony. Got to make sure you're also nice and moisturised. You can't be coming all gammy and dusty to the account passing ceremony. Have faith. Come on, Maria. Always got faith. Yo, allow this. Let's get a better song on. Oh, let's get ready for the account passing ceremony, chat. We're 2 pips off. We're 2 pips off. What else we got? Got a flex on them with this. No one else in the trading space has got a Rolex on their finger, and that's facts. That's not a Rolex, it's a Frank Mueller. Frank Mueller on the finger. What do you know about that? Frank Mueller on the finger. And we're ready. We're ready for the challenge passing ceremony. We're ready for the challenge in passing ceremony. Let's go, chat. We're 2 pips off. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. If you want to watch on YouTube, boys, Richesse FX is my YouTube. Same as the name up there, just with FX on the end. Richesse FX. Not gonna lie, we're struggling to get past this fair value gap a little bit. I don't like the way we're moving on this 5 minute. Come on. Do an Insta with us spamming and W and TP. Yeah, I'll do it in a sec, bro. When we pass, I'll do that. I'll do that. When we pass, you man best spam up the live. Come on, boys. Who has faith in this trade? Who has faith in this trade? That's low probability trade, to be fair. This trade is McQueen is fading. Wait, what? This Chinese McQueen is... Wait, what? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? That's a low probability trade. Why'd you say that's low probability, bro? I really don't like the way we filled this fair value gap. I really don't. I really don't like that, chap. But we got our stop loss at break even. And at the end of the day, you man are telling me to leave it open. I don't know the logic behind telling me to leave it open. Because we are looking really like we're going to sell off at this level. We are really looking like we're going to sell off this level. In fact, we are also going to be having a 1 minute inversion pretty soon. Let's see if we get a 1 minute inversion. I'll mark this out. Are we about to get a 1 minute inversion? Are we about to get a 1 minute inversion? That trade is McQueen. That trade is Never Watch Cars movie. No, I've seen Cars. I just don't really know what you mean. Bro, watch what high time frame is doing. We know what the high time frame's doing, bro. Not me, pal, but I guess I got lucky. Fair play. Flip a coin. What for? Wait. Bro just wants me to flip a coin for no reason. I've seen you say that like 3 times. Could have passed all in one trade, phase 1 and 2, if you traded USD. So USD TRY would have transcended how challenges work and actually carried over to the next challenge. What is this song? I can't remember what it is. Oh, this song. I don't really like this song. It's alright though. Hopefully we don't invert on the 1 minute. What's DXY, Sam? DXY just needs to just continue down a little bit to that fair value gap. That's all you got to do. It's not a lot to ask, really, is it? It's really not a lot to ask, I feel like. To be fair, the good thing about the dollar right now is that we are trading between 2 fair value gaps in the same time frame. So we've got this 15-minute bearish and this 15-minute bullish. So one of them has to come through, one of them has to fail. If the bearish one fails, sorry, if the bullish one fails, then it's a dub for EU. Yeah, this is a girl song, isn't it, really? Come on, chat. Explode. Come on, chat. How many pips are we off passing, chat? We are 4 pips off passing. 4 pips off passing, 5 pips away from break even. Let's go check gold. What are you seeing on gold, bro? Gold's just kind of chopping up and down. My TP is 550. Wait. It's 17550. Okay, so yours is Asia high? Yeah, Asia high. A lot of people's aiming for Asia high on this. Luckily, we don't need to. Come on, man. What's that 1 minute candle, man? What is that? Any other trades you man want me to jump in, let me know. But this one is very close right now. My UTP is at 1.8 at previous highs. That is miles away, bro. 1.8. 1.8. That is absolutely miles away, bro. How big is your stop loss? Where's your entry, bro? What the hell? Bro's aiming for what? 70 pips. Fair enough, bro. Absolute Chad in the chat. Absolute Chad in the chat. Fair play, bro. Come on. Go for EU short. No disrespect, but screw the high time frame bias. Look left at the strong support resistance and FVGs. Fair play, bro. That's what I mean. Everyone trades different, innit? Fuck it, man. This 10k almost a goner. It's all or nothing for this. Fair play. I didn't tell you to place this, so this don't count. That was EK and Henry, I believe. EK and Henry. Oh no, EK and Jacob. Wait, who was it? Who was it, chat? I can't remember who it was. I think it was EK and Henry or EK and Josh. No, wait, who was it? Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. 2 pips off. 2 pips off passing this account, boys. If you want to see my full screen and my P&L as you see it, then go to my YouTube stream, Richesse Effects. Chat, we're less than a pip nearly off passing this account. More than 500 illegal waste trips are operating across England. Illegal waste tips, okay. Who really cares? Okay, we're 2 pips off. We're 2 pips off TP, chat. 2 pips off. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. We're 2 pips off passing this account. We're 2 pips off passing this phase 1 account. 2 pips off, chat. Let's go. Let's run this. Let's run this up, boys. If you don't know what we're doing right now, check my most recent video, boys. We are passing a funded account, taking the trades that my followers tell me to take. And this is the trade that you man have told me to get in. I feel like my trading view is going to, my MetaTrader is going to unbug and it's going to fill us for this loss, but I really hope not. It must have just deleted the limit, but I don't know why it would have deleted the limit. What's the DXY saying? Okay, nice. What's what we want? We need the DXY to keep running down. Appeal not approved. Why? Why did my appeal not get approved, bro? I have not said anything bad in this whole live. What the hell? 62 man in here, boys. We've got 60 man in here. 100 man on the YouTube. Come on. What's it? Okay, yeah, the euro's getting bodied by the pound as well. We know the euro's quite weak. Yeah, we know the euro's weak, especially against the pound. So it is difficult to run. We need a lot of help from the DXY. Just one more bullish candle is all we really need. One more bullish candle is all we really need, chat. One more bullish candle for us to pass this account. Dub, appreciate that, Jed, Garcia, NJ. Appreciate that, Mehmet. Big up to everyone dropping dubs in the chat right now. What you saying, Young Axe? What you saying, bro? Big up, Josh. Yeah, it was Josh. It was Josh. Josh and EK told us on this one. It was Josh's entry, EK's stop loss. And then all you guys, basically a combination of the TP, because you said just leave it open until the account passes, which is what we're doing. We are break even. Come on, come on, come on, chat. Two pips off, chat. Come on, 2 pips off. 2 pips off, man. Drop a prediction. Do you think we're going to pass the account in this trade? Yes or no? Let me know. We're going to pass with this trade, chat. Let me know. We're going to pass the account with this trade. Mate, the dollar's doing exactly what we want, man. It's proven that it is bearish. I do think we're now, at this point, going to continue even lower. But we can see the euro's getting absolutely bodied by the pound. So it's not really good for that aspect of it. See, we came off that fair value gap really nicely. I think we will pass. Let's go. Everyone drop a follow, man. We do this every single Friday. We do challenges every single Friday. This challenge is getting you, man, to pass my account for me. I'll buy a fresh account and you, man, try to pass it. Yes, passing with flying colours. Okay, we're finding it really hard to get past this 15-minute fair value gap, though. What about in the 5-minute? Have we closed above and tapped? Okay, we have closed above on the 5-minute, which is nice. Which is 15. We want it to just fly past this high. Are we going to pass this account? Let me know. Let me know we're going to pass. We're 3 pips off passing right now. Is there any other trades you man are looking at? Any other trades you man are looking at? Come on. Yes, the sellers are defending that area, Louis. Need some buyers to step in. Yeah, for real. Should we mark on the volume of the current day? Let's have a look at the current day volume profile, actually. Session volume profile. Go on the 15-minute as well. So we can see point of control is a lot higher, so we should be attracted higher. There's kind of average volume throughout everything. There's not really a majorly high volume node or low volume node. There's not really any low volume nodes, really, I would say. I'd say we've got a high volume node here. So price should really be interested in returning to this area. If we go on the 1 minute, you will see where that is. It's obviously at this point of consolidation here, where we have the majority of the volume has been expended here. Obviously, other than the POC, which obviously is the POC. But price should want to come into this area. Then obviously the point of control as well, back up at this area. This is where our volume lies on the current day. So these are going to be the areas that price is going to be attracted to. These orange areas is going to be where price is going to be attracted to. So we should really trade a little bit higher. Howdy, bro. What are you saying, Bat 21? Might want to touch that 430 support turned resistance. 7430. Oh, right. Yeah, here. Yeah. EU sells for now. Fair enough. We are filling this 15-minute fair value gap, but we are looking for us to continue higher. Ideally, it's what the chat wants me to do, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, over to the YouTube stream, boys. If you want to see my full screen, you want to see my full face cam, all the rest of it, Richesse effects on YouTube, boys. Do you remember me, boy? Lou, why don't you buy a warehouse and set up a load of trading desks and you rotate your traders through every 5 months and film it all? Something like that will pop on social media. I just don't think that many people would actually be trying to trade there, I'll be so honest with you. Not a lot of people would actually want it. Like, people say they're locked in, but they're nowhere near as locked in as people say. That would be a sick idea though, bro. That would be sick. I've thought about that before, that whole warehouse thing. But yeah, who would be down for that? Let me know in the chat if you'd be down to come trade in the warehouse. Bear in mind though, a lot of people that do have jobs and they're trying to get out of the situation, so it might be difficult for them. EU is sells for now. Why do you feel like that, Ali? What makes you feel like that? We obviously want to close below this fair value gap in an ideal world. Oh, mate, this is not good. This is not good. My strategy tells me, bro. Yeah, well, what is your... I assume that, but what is your strategy, bro? Come on, chat. Have you ever seen Samuel Leeds' Forex competition series similar to The Apprentice? Yeah, it's sick, bro. But a lot of them are such noobs. Like, some of them literally know nothing about, like, not a thing about trading. Like, I don't know why you'd apply if you don't know anything about trading. But yeah, that's actually, I bear rate that. I think it's sick. I think that's a good idea for sure. That's quality. Who else has seen that, boys? The Samuel Leeds, like, trading competition thing. It's pretty cold. This is priming up perfectly to sell off from this fair value gap, I'm not going to lie. Priming up perfectly to sell from this fair value gap. Couldn't really look more perfect for a short off this fair value gap. You lot said to leave it open, though. You lot said to leave it open, so that is what we're doing. Money talks. If you can make that work, it will bang on socials. I think there will be plenty of people if you get the advertising right. Yeah, man. Hopefully, innit? Hopefully. I'll try to see who would actually be down, but as I said, man, a lot of people say they would, but actually wouldn't. It would be sick, though. It would definitely be sick. Warehouses are fucking expensive, though. I used to think warehouses were, like, cheaper than offices. They're actually dearer, which is pretty crazy. Gold. What are you looking at on gold, bro? What are you looking at on gold? 1 hour took out the 5 AM candle, which also makes a bearish range to go down to complete the 6 hour range. Fair play, bro. 1 hour take out the 5 AM candle. So yeah, fair play. I do hear ya. We're more looking at an ALG trade here right now. When we sweep the Asia low, so we look to try trade price into the Asia high. It's not the worst candle that just printed. It could be a lot worse in terms of what candle we've just seen. We're pushing. We're pushing, boys. We're pushing. Let's go. Let's go. We're pushing. Let's go, boys. We're pushing. We're pushing. We're pushing back up again, boys. We're pushing back up. Let's go. Let's go, chat. We're back to minimal amounts away. We're back to minimal amounts away. 2.3 pips off. 2.2 pips off passing this account. Come on. 2 pips is all we need. Really isn't a lot, boys. It's not a lot at all. Look how we're moving, man. Just continue like that and we're good. Continue like that and we're good. Okay, we're now closer than we've ever been to passing the account, chat. Let's go. We're closer than we've... Boys, we are 1.5% off, chat. We're 1.5 pips off, sorry. Passing this account down to all of you boys' trades. And we wick down again. Come on, just firm this candle. Please, candle, just firm it. Please, 5-minute candle, just firm it. Please. Please just firm where your position is. Why does that say it's in line when it's just clearly not? Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. Come on. We really are not asking for a lot here. We're not asking for a lot. We are literally 1 pip off, boys. Well, yeah, we was 1.5 pips off. Come on, we are 1.5. We're less than a pip off passing this account. We are less than a pip off passing this account. Okay, 1.5 pips actually, my bad. We are 1.5 pips off passing the account, boys. 1.5 pips off passing the account. 2.3 right now. 2.3 pips off passing right now. DXY drop. Trust me, bro. We'll give the ultimate proof of concept. The average people still think that trading is a big scam. Yeah, trust me, bro. That is a good thing about it. It will for sure do that. For sure do that. Okay, come on. Come on, boys. What are we saying? Do you reckon we're going to pass this challenge with this next candle? Do you reckon this 15-minute candle is going to pass us? We only did take half risk on this. If we took full risk, then obviously we'd be passed by now. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's go. We're closing in. We're closing in. We're less than a pip off right now. Yo, we're 1 pip off right now. We're 1 pip off right now, chat. Come on. Come on, chat. We're 1 pip off right now, passing this account down to you lot's trades. 1 pip off, chat. Come on. Come on, chat. 1 pip off. We are 1 pip off. Appreciate the like, bro. Yeah. 1 pip off passing trades. Off of passing the account, boys. 1 pip off. Tiny little extension. Tiny little extension is all we need. Tiny little extension. Feel like we're not moving, and then when we move, we'll move in like a block. Come on. Boys, everyone needs to harness their power right now. 0.8 pips off. 0.5 pips off. Okay. Okay. Okay, chat. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god, we're so close, chat. We're so close. Chat, we're so close. No. Chat, we are so close. Oh my god, we were so close. W trade, appreciate that, bro. Oh my god, we're so close. It already hit TP, did it? It didn't hit TP, bro. It hasn't hit yet. I think we was genuinely 0.1 pip off TP. Let me check my account, see if this is on or not. Get on the YouTube chat if you don't want to see these pauses. Right, we are not passed yet, chat. We literally need $20 to pass. It has on my broker. Hasn't, bro. Not for me. No. No. It hasn't. Oh my god, it hasn't tapped us out. It hasn't tapped us out yet. Hasn't tapped us out yet. Hasn't tapped us out yet, chat. We're going to have to wait for this. Hasn't tapped us out yet, chat. It has not tapped us out. We're still in. We're still in. We still need this. We still need this. How long we got left to the 15-minute? We've got nearly 10 minutes left to the 15-minute candle. Come on. One more candle bullish. One more bullish candle and we're good. Come on, chat. Have faith, Dean. Trust me, it's going to reverse. Going to go to SL now. What a positive person you are, Dean. It has on my broker. Yeah, it hasn't on here, bro. W trade, appreciate that. Mate, we were so close. It was literally 0.1 pip off hitting TP. Literally 0.1 pip off hitting TP. And now we are 2 pips off. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. Come on. I'm on RC Markets. Fair play. This is Alpha Capital Group, boys. If you do want to get any prop firm accounts, make sure you use Alpha Capital Group, boys. They are the best prop firm in the game by a long way. So everyone get Alpha Capital Group. Use code Richesse as well. We'll get you a discount. Keep pushing. Come on, bro. Come on, Cyprian. We do need this to push. We need this to push. I get my cake and eat it too. Mate, I can't believe how close we was. I can't believe how close we was. Well done. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, follower. Oh, no, man. No, no, not now. Don't reverse now. Don't reverse now. Don't reverse now. Don't you dare reverse now, boys. I can hear your heartbeat. Oh, mate. Oh, my God, boys. We are literally... Right now, the account is like 0.1% of passing. Is this the chat's trade? It is, bro. It is. No. No way. No way. No way, chat. No way. No way. No way do we reverse from here. No way. Good content if it reverses, bro. Oh, my God. Can you imagine? T-Pizzy. So... Oh, mate. We're 0.1 pip off TP. And now we're reversing. Dead art. Okay, come on. Come on, man. No, don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Come on. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse. Don't reverse, man. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, bro. Oh, my God. Put a stop loss to break even. It is already, bro. Stop loss is already at break even, boys. What prop I'm using? Alpha Capital Group, bro. Alpha Capital Group. No way. Oh my God. Gold is sell. I swear, gold traders got to be the worst traders in the world, bro. They'll say buy gold and it will sell. They'll say gold is selling and it will start buying. Free conservative to wicks to the upside. Not good. Not good at all, bro. Not good at all. Not good at all. Not good at all, man. It really isn't good. It really, 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 really isn't good. Really isn't good, chat. Really isn't good. Hopefully we're just filling this fair value gap here and we can continue higher. That's what we're hoping. That's what we got to hope for. It's really looking tough right now. It's looking so tough. It's looking so tough. Come on. Let's move this. Come on. Come on. Bro said gold traders are the worst. No, they just are, innit? No disrespect. Blood of Jesus. How many pairs do you trade, bro? Only 3, bro. Mainly EUG as well. That 5-minute FEG has already been filled, though. Yeah, I know, man. Lou, give a shout out to my old man, Tony boy. Big up Tony, bro. Big up fucking Tone. Big up Tone. Josh, this is your trade as well, bro. This is your trade. So if this one TPs, I rate you for that. It's you and EK. Trust is going up. Okay, Nick. I hope you're right, bro. I hope you're right. But shout out Tony, boy. Shout out Tone. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on. You've got to have confidence. I've run out of vapes as well, so like my anxiety's at an all-time high right now. Yeah, they've all run out. Okay, we're in a bad situation right now. I don't even know if I've got like a spare one under my bed, under my pillow or some shit. Alright, we're pushing up. Bro's heart is made of steel. We're pushing up. Come on. Come on. Bro, why is this not working? Is it just the battery? Because I swear it's got liquid in it. No, it don't work. It's bullshit. Fuck it. Alright, we're pushing up again. We're pushing up again. Morning, my testy satchel. Wow, I've never heard a bag be described like that before ever. Do some prayers instead. Hey, yo, quit the vapes, G. Do some prayers instead. But what if I can do both? What if I can pray and use vapes as well? That means my anxiety's down, my faith is up, and that is really where you want to be. There are support around 350 to 360, so it could still push up after the sweep. Come on. Smoke a cig and come back to 40p. Mate, if I could smoke in my yard without like making myself feel repulsed, then I would. Man said testy satchel. I still haven't really got over that either. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, bro, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. I really, really don't like this price action. I really don't like this price action, man. Bro. Really don't like this price action. I'm not going to lie. Look how close that was, bro. Look how close that was. Look how close that was. Look how close that was to TP chat. I reckon the Dalai Lama French in House Elux is on hourly. Bro, there's no way the Dalai Lama doesn't smoke vapes, bro. Like, what else gets him through? Isn't he like 90 years, like 100 years old? What else is he doing for 100 years if he ain't smoked a vape at least once? Telling me you've been alive for 100 years and you ain't had one hit of a vape. That's just a lie, bro. And the Dalai Lama don't lie. I think we will be back once New York volume kicks back in. It's 12 o'clock now, so... It is 12 o'clock now, so we should start to move. We should start to move, boys. Naz about to tap in. Sweet. Sweet. Let's look at Naz. Let's look at some other pairs. Let's look at some other pairs, boys. Because staring at it, it's not the one. So you said longs, innit, off of the 5-minute inversion. Didn't you say longs off it? I honestly can't stand the way Naz price action moves. I don't know how anyone can trade Naz. The price action is... worse than anything I've ever seen. Any currency I've ever seen, it's worse. It's worse than any currency possible forex pair you can pick. The price action is worse. I don't know how anyone can trade it. Obviously, it's a skill issue. Like, I just need to learn how it moves. But let me know how you man analyze it. Because for me, the way I trade, it's useless. It's like the price action is woeful. $50-minute, 5-minute SM. We got SMT at the low. 50% of this. So you're going for this here. That there, I'm assuming. Make sure you boys are keeping an eye on EU. Let me know if we start to cook. So I'm assuming that's the trade right there. Oh, 5-minute FVG. Is that you man's trade? I'm assuming this is your trade. Right, we got a new 50. Wait, no, is that? Yeah, we got a new 15-minute candle. Again, it was a tiny bit bullish. The candle was a tiny bit bullish. Like a teeny bit. Oh, mate, don't even do this to us, bro. Don't even do this, dollar. Don't even reverse like that. Actually, don't do that to us, dollar. That would actually, like, genuinely would be bang out of order if you were to do that. Would genuinely be bang out of order. But you can see, man, since we got that big bearish candle, which done us nicely, everything else has just been up, down, up, down, up, down. Which is not at all what we want. We just want one more candle, come through there, and then, boom, we're done. We literally needed 0.1 pip. Like, we're not asking for a lot at all. At all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, push. 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 Oh, no, man. Come on. Just push a little bit higher. R.I.P. Barney. Who on earth's Barney, bro? Lucy, shout out to my dead dog Barney. Oh, R.I.P. Barney, innit? R.I.P. Barney. No, it's going down, G. Don't know, Dean. It don't look like it, bro. R.I.P. Barney. R.I.P. Barney, man. Rest in peace, Barney. Indices clear. Yeah, indices. Not for me, but people love indices recently. Do close now. It's now bearish. See, I'm getting a lot of different replies. NQ sucks. NQ better than 4. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. A load of mixed replies. I'm not going to lie. More volume equals more opportunities. New York seems really chaotic. Like there's a CPI ever open. I'll happily stick to FX. Yeah, trust me, bro. But there's a difference between a session open and just Drake's in both ways. Yeah, the reason I don't like it is because it doesn't really mitigate anything. It's all on the lower time frame. You can't analyse the higher time frame on NAS. You can't analyse it. There's nothing to analyse. There's no structure to the market. Like, there's no structure to this market. Like, you can tell. It's literally like, if we're looking at even on a 4-hour time frame wise, let's just look at the price action we've had, right? So, we had a mad rally here, followed by just a mad reversal, okay? Followed by near enough a whole month's worth of sideways price action. But a massive pump to the upside, massive shaft to the downside, recovery and consolidation for the last, as we said, month. So there's nothing you can analyse on a higher time frame. There's no point. There's no point even opening the daily chart. It's a waste of your time. It's a waste of your time to be looking at the daily chart or the 4-hour. Anything above the 1 hour on NAS is just a pure and utter waste of time. All people really trade it off is the 1 hour and lower. And it's pure scalping. It's pure scalping. Oh, wait, you got on 50% of the 5-minute, not the 15 minutes. So you would be in right now. I think you'd be in right now. I think you'd be in right now. So you're getting in here. And I know. Come on. From me, baby. Run away. Come on, we need price to run away, so everyone lock in. Okay, we got a different tactic here. You ready? You ready? You ready for this tactic? You ready for this tactic? It's an elite target. So an elite tactic, sorry. How are you targeting? We are targeting literally what it is to pass me the account. We're kind of DJing out right now. What made you take the trade? I'm literally doing a challenge where I loaded up a fresh funded account, and I'm taking whatever trades the chat tell me to take. And you, man, told me to get an EU buys. We're in EU buys. You, man, told me to leave the trade open and aim for these highs, which is exactly what I'm doing. If it hits this high, we pass the account. Simple as that. I ain't got time to be in trades for hours. I make my bread for the day and I'm done. Fair play. It's good. It's like definitely good for that way of trading. I just came back. Is EU a joke? EU is actually doing alright. We got the Praise the Lord song on as well. Praise the Lord. Come on. Can you check XAU USF? Did you smash your head on the keyboard when you wrote that? Just hit buy or sell and hope for the best. Lol. Are you pushing? Trust me. Trust me. Dino, we going up. Trust me. I'm targeting Asia high. Fair play, bro. I'm passing phase 2. I passed phase 1 for a good trade to start phase 2 with. Fair play, bro. What pair? This is EU, bro. Says in the bottom right. Come on. Come on, chat. Let's go. Let's go. 2 pips we need. We need 2 pips. We need 2 pips. We need 2 pips, boys. All glory to our Lord and Saviour. Come on, bro. Jack, you actually called it. You passed Jetlu. Nah, bro. We literally got edged by 0.1 pips. I couldn't be any closer. Right now, we're 2 pips off passing. W song. Is that the follower challenge? It is, bro. It is the follower challenge. We are literally 0.1 pip off passing the account. We are so close, boys. We're locked in right now. We were 0.1 pip off passing the account. Now we need price to come up 3 pips. Come on, man. Come on. Bro, did gold hit TP? No, bro. Gold got absolutely blivered to stop loss instantly without a single pip of profit. For some reason, it didn't actually place on my account, even though I had the limit. I really don't know why that was, but yeah, it didn't. Oh my god. Your followers are crushing it. Trust me, bro. Absolutely crushing it. What's a good song, though? The currency of the world? What, gold? Is that what you said? Trying to find a good song to put on that's going to be like, do you know what I mean? Just make this trade want to go to TP. There must be a song out there that can just do its thing. Lou sings this out loud every morning. Can you check gold? Yeah, no worries, bro. I'll check gold in the set, bro. It's popping a little bit. It's popping a little bit. What's a good song, man? What's going to actually push this through? What's just going to push this through? What's going to push this through? I can't see any good songs. Let me just skip. Play Stole Your Flow, A$AP Rocky. I've never actually listened to A$AP Rocky, I'll be honest. I don't think I've ever listened to A$AP Rocky. Endob's #1 song for the TP. Now that's a good shout. Now that is a good shout. I like that. I like that shout a lot. Dubs from Tommy. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay, let's go, chat. 3 pips off TP to pass his account. Come on. We have been edged so badly. Are you sure we should keep this open, chat, yeah? You sure we should leave this open? Should we not just close it? Because we can close it now. If we close it now, we will only need 0.3% to pass the account. And we can just jump into another trade. Or do we just hold this? Can I share the tool I've been printed with on DM? If you want, bro, but I'm pretty sure you're AI. Mate, come on, bro. Come on. 1 candle. We literally need 1 candle. Like, bro, 1 candle. We needed 0.1 pip and you couldn't give it to us. Play some Crystal Castle. Play that by Calm. We've already played that. You're a bit late, bro. You need to lock in. Hold. Okay, people are saying hold. Gold is up now. Yeah, gold is up. Gold is up. Edge USD. Hold. Sweet. Everyone's saying hold. Yeah, gold's popping now. Yeah, this was the trade one of you man told me to get in as well. Was absolutely terrible. This is the thing, right? I had this trade placed, right? Place the limit, come off of the app, go back on there. It runs, hits stop loss. So go on the app to expect to see in minus 1%. And it wasn't there. It was like it never happened. Like, it was so weird. It was genuinely like it never happened. It's so weird, bro. But it is up now. Three pips off, man. We just keep on edging and edging and edging. Be ready for BE. You're positive, aren't you, Aimer? Why does Russia have a different alphabet as well to, like, the UK? USD CAD dropping nice. But some Dembao good to wake up to. Wait, who's Dembao? Yeah, boys, I actually got nicked yesterday. Banged in the back of the motor and everything, bruv. Cuffed, banged in the motor. I was like, bruv, are you good? Bro, he didn't even tell me. I was like, bro, he literally, yeah. So the geezer, I've jumped out of my pal's car. The geezer's ran up to me and been like, give me your hands, give me your hands. I was like, what? What for? What for? And he's gone, can't remember what he said. It was like an abbreviation. It was like BAME or something. BAME. I can't remember what it was. It was like a thing. And I was like, what's that? And he was like, give me your other hand. Because he already slapped it on before I could do nothing. And he was like, give me your other hand, give me your other hand. I was like, no, what does that mean? What are you trying to tell me? Like, what is BAME, bro? Or it was something like that. I was like, what is that? He was like, give me your other hand or I'll use false. I was like, mate, tell me what you're trying to nick me for. And he was like, you've jumped out of a car that's failed to stop for police. We think you've got a weapon on you, all this. I was like, bruv, alright then, nick me then. I ain't fucking done that. I ain't got a weapon on me. Like, if he would have said, like, Keir Starmer was nicking you for offensive live stream posts, then I would have skated off, but yeah. And, bro, I was like, fucking hell, like, all of that, just because you think I got... And the geezers nicks me, and I put me in the motor. Search me. And obviously let me go. He was like, what do you do for work, mate? You working? I was like, yeah. He was like, whereabouts do you work? So Canary Wolf goes, oh, you a trader? You bet you're earning loads of money. Like, bruv, shut up. But it's like, bro, how are you actually... The amount of crime that actually gets done and they're moving mad for that. I guarantee you at that time there was at least like 3 women being odd in London. And they just drive around like really nice areas trying to nick people. Like, bruv, come on. I'm expecting Cell to hit 7-4. What do you think? I'm really not. I don't even want to imagine that, bro. I'll be honest. That could be really nice, but I don't even want to imagine that happening. So I feel like I'm going to manifest this not hitting TP, and I want this to hit TP very much. 475 you got in at. Okay, they're literally right now, to be fair. Fair play. Open, high, low, close, DXY, load him. Open, wait. Open, high, low, close. Oh, fair play. Where do you work? Should have said in my bedroom. Nah, he's alright. He was alright, to be fair. It was just, brother, he jumped out on a mad Aggie one. I was like, mate. Dominican music, what is your strategy? We've got Asia liquidity grab or DTO continuations, bro. Yeah, and apparently the reason he nicked me because my pal apparently was following us and we failed to stop for police, which is a lie, bro. It's just this is just not what happened, bro. Like, if we was getting flagged by old Bill, we're obviously gonna stop. Like, we're not breaking the law. Why wouldn't we stop? He just jumped out on an Aggie one. We're pushing back up, though. We are pushing back up. I bare wanted to run that. Even though I didn't do anything. When he was like, oh, if you try to run, I'll use false. I was thinking, bruv, I bet that'll be in a banging adrenaline rush, just darting off. I've never done that. Well, obviously everyone's really ran from the police when you're a little kid, innit? But, like, I've never been, like, nicked and then run away. Has anyone in the chat done that? I bet the adrenaline rush of that is insane. Guarantee you EK's done it. I've never done that. I've never, like, had cuffs on and run away, bro. I bet the adrenaline rush is insane. Take a left at the park. yeah. Take a left at the park gates. Hit the park gates. But yeah, bro, it's a bad, like, mad end to my night, bro. I got home at like 11 o'clock. It was like 2 doors away from my gaff as well. I was just about to go inside and a fucking geezer runs up to me like I'm wanted for an M charge or something. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, what is this tune? I ain't heard this tune for time. I'm on phase 2 STMO 100k challenge. Calm. Have you just started that? I actually haven't heard this song in so long. Bet Meeks has. Meeks definitely has. Only thing the geezer teethed off me, I had some, can't say the word, some puff vape on me, which he teethed off me. But I ain't even bunned that in time. I haven't bunned that in probably about 5 months. I didn't even care about that. Ah! Bearer, bro. I just booted the side of my wardrobe. Hit the left at the park gates. What are we saying, chat? I'm not going to lie. This trade's been edging us for so long. I feel like if we act nonchalant about it, the trade, then it's got more chance of hitting TP. What are we saying? Alright, so I'll tell you what. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do the nonchalant strategy, right? We're going to do the nonchalant method. All you man have got to do is just comment something completely unrelated to trading. We're going to talk about a completely different subject. And as we take our attention off the charts is actually going to provide and hit TP. So, boys, just comment something in the chat. Let's nonchalant strategy. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, not gonna lie, I don't care about the trade. Yeah, trust me. You booked Zanzibar yet? Nah, man. Mace was saying it was a bit. It's I don't know, bro. We just can't decide, innit? We literally can't decide, bro. This is another thing. What country should I go to in a few weeks' time? We really can't decide. Bro, me and Mace are probably the most indecisive people in the world. What me and mates do, yeah, this is because we're so indecisive. What we do normally is we don't give ourselves a chance to be indecisive. So, like, when we'd go to Thailand, for example, we'd wait until the day we had to leave our Airbnb, and then we'd book a flight to the next place. So you don't have time to be, like, bare thinking about it. When we got to the next place, the airport or the next place, when we land, we'd get out of the plane, and then we'd book the hotel for where we're staying. So you ain't got time to think, you have to book it quick, so then the car takes you straight there. You know what I mean? That's what we like to do, is just straight, so you don't think about it. When you think about it, it's mad. Like, it mad fucks your head. What you're not feeling about Z? No, we are, bro. I'm feeling it. It's just... no, we are feeling it, bro. It's just the like the infrastructure and stuff there. Because obviously we want to be going live and stuff, and we want to... I think a Starlink will be sweet, innit? I think a Starlink will be sweet. But then it's one of them as well. Wouldn't it just be better to go there in the summer for a longer period of time? Because if I went Zanzibar, I'd want to go there for at least 2-3 weeks, maybe even a month. Go Morocco. Australia. No, Australia's too far. Basically, this is what it's got to be, yeah? It's got to be... What temperature do you wash your clothes on? I don't know. I don't wash my clothes. I'm not... Don't know if TikTok's going to take offence to that, so I'll just leave it at I don't wash my clothes. Well, I mean, my clothes are washed, but I don't wash them. Okay. Let's talk about God. All right, let us know about God, Dean. Let us know what you want to say, bro. But yeah, so it's got to basically be... I don't like this. It's basically got to be to the right of us, so east of England. So it's got to be... The time has got to be ahead, not behind. If it's behind, we won't be able to trade the London session. So it's got to be to the right of us, and it's got to be hotter than like 22 degrees at the bare minimum. So that's your thing. So I said Morocco. Yeah, I've been looking at Morocco. Can't lie, I've been looking at Morocco. Where was Let's see if we can find any cooks. Again, we don't care about what this trade wants to do. This trade can hit TP, it can reverse. We're not really bothered. Literally do whatever you want. I don't care. One looks banging. Is that a grand a night? That one's got to be banging then. I ain't paying a grand a night. I just want to see what we're dealing with though. Do you know what I mean, chat? A grand a night. Private courtyard. Breakfast, I'd hope so. Personal bar, wood burning fireplace, outdoor gazebo, king size. Fucking hell, this gaff is minimum a grand. That was for the shit room. 2-bedroom pool villa, 2.6 grand a night. Sorry, what? In fucking Morocco. 3 bag a night. Bro. Who on earth is going to pay 2 grand to stay in Morocco, bruv? A night. The Ritz. What about the Ritz? That's only 3 bill a night. Bro, just... We don't even care if you want to move, bro. Oh no, it's 2 pips off TP. Oh no. It's 3 pips off TP. It's 1.5 pips off TP. Bro, we're not bothered. You're out of our interest now. Just... Morocco is Sicko and Agadir. I don't know where all these ones are. Fuck off. Piss off. Piss off, man. I hate websites like this. Just let me use your website, man. Giving me all this rubbish, bro. That does look banging in it, but I've heard Morocco's a bit of a dump. Oh, they got a sauna in that. I do bare rate saunas. Leak. Western Supermare. Oh, Western Supermare. Oh. Turkey, bro. Portugal. What about Madeira? It's not hot enough in Madeira right now. Not hot enough in Madeira. I bet I want to go to Portugal. This looks banging, bro. To be fair, there's a lot of nice hotels in Morocco, innit? I'd just go to a massive hotel, to be honest. That's what I'd do. Go to either a big hotel. That's probably what I'd do. I don't know if you probably only want to go there for a week. Maybe a little bit more. Obviously, we want to go to a place where we can do live streams and shit as well, so... It's a bit deep, innit? Looking in your eyes, I can see your broken soul. I mean, it's been a long time coming in TP on this, but I wouldn't say my soul's been broken. Bro, Morocco hotels are cheap. Marrakesh is a dump. Go near the water, bro. Where is Matt? Where is? Okay, I'm gonna have to Google Morocco using my on-screen keyboard. Where's that? Where? Okay, Marrakesh. Yeah, not going to Marrakesh. Or rather, what? Casablanca's surely the one. They've got a fucking clothing brand named after it, and they've got a lighthouse. Calm, yeah. I'm assuming this is where all the hotels are. Ain Dayab. Tinchy Strada, you know, what a generational fall off. Oh, mate, I need some songs, bro. I feel like I've listened to everything. Tag Zoo is chill, but you would get bored unless you surf. Ryu plays Takeda Tag. Yeah, I don't surf, innit? I don't surf. Rabat is where AFCON final was. I don't want to go there, bro. It looks corrupt as anything, bro. Come Mombasa, Kenya. I will go Kenya eventually, but not like in a few weeks' time. I'll go there on a mad safari, though. That's what I want to go Kenya for. Ryu plays to Kazoo. Okay, let me Google this place where matey went. Alright, what's it called? Morocco. How much was it a night? Ryu Palace Takeda Agadir. Takeda Tazgoot. Here we go. My God, it still ain't at TP. It's still waiting, bro, believe it or not. The account has literally been floating $20 off passing for you do not know how long. The exact same thing happened on this Euro JPY trade, you know. So I basically chat. So the account was 3% up anyway. And then basically what happened was I saw this absolute banger of a trade and thought, bro, I have to place this. Placed it on the 10k as well, the one we're trying to pass. And managed to make like 5%. So it went from 3% up to like 7%. Or it was something like that. Oh, you know, so it was only on 2.5 after spreads and commission. So, yeah, basically, I made like 5%. Should have been a 7.3R. Should have been enough to pass it. But this is what was happening. We was floating $20 off passing the account for... When I tell you hours, I mean like genuinely a joke amount of time. We was floating, 2.5 hours was floating $20 off passing the account. And again, I'm talking less than a pip here. I'm talking a pip. Like, it was ridiculous. And in the end, daylight savings came. So obviously, with daylight savings as well, you want to get out. Oh, wait, was this yesterday? Oh, it was yesterday. Bro, what happened with this? Oh, yeah, I remember that trade. Wait, why did we miss this yesterday? How comes we missed this yesterday? What the hell? I remember the GJ trade yesterday was an absolute joke. Who remembers the GJ yesterday? I've got to clip that and post that. That YJ cooked us. I'll never forgive him for that, for real. I had unlimited JD and Cokes. I bet that was lovely. What about Madagascar? People said about Madagascar, but I think it's a bit mad. Like, I don't think there's enough shit there. Go skiing in La Cluse as in the French Alps. What country is that, bro? What country is that? I was going to go skiing in... I see someone go skiing in Georgia, Tbilisi, Georgia the other day. It looked banging, bro. It looked absolutely banging. So I probably wouldn't go to I wouldn't go France or Italy or anything like that, or Switzerland. Obviously, France is the main one. But I wouldn't go that till like December. I want to go there in December next year. I went to Pickle Batros White Beach Hotel in Tazgoot. It's nice enough. Fair play, bro. Nice. A lot of people's been Tagloot. People say I'd get bored if I don't surf, though. Have you ever been Egypt? Never been Egypt. Cyprus is nice and you can relax. Let's go out and there's two sides. I know, man. I bare want to go Cyprus as well, but Cyprus is not that hot right now. It's quite cold right now, which is peak. Marrakesh is a dump going in. Okay, yeah, bro. Morocco hotels are cheap. Yeah. Come on, next candle bullish. I feel like this next candle could be the one. Even though we don't care, even though it can do what it wants. It's going to be the next one. Come on. It's been 45 minutes ago since we was 0.1 pip away from passing the account. Do you offer any mentorship spells? Yeah, I do, bro. Get in the Discord, bro, for that. Or just send me a DM. I can explain what we do. I'll drop you a follow, mate, so you can DM me. Oh, come on. Come on, bruv. Sweet, bro. I'm in a gold buy. What about you? We're in a EU buy, bro. French Alps, fair play. Yeah, I want to go there in December. I went pickle Beatrice white beetle, yeah. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on, bro. It's 2 pips. It's a pip to the upside, bro. It's 1 fucking pip. It's 1 pip. You got to move 1 pip. Just move. Oh, chat, do we just close this now? Should we just close this now? Because how long are we really going to wait for this? Gonna go walk my dog, enjoy your week. Hello, thanks for this week. No worries, bro. Like, chat, what are we going to do with this? Are we really going to leave this open? Are we going to leave this open, bro? Let me code you a strategy as an indicator to give it to the signals. Just tell me how you trade. How much do you charge, bro? Bro, come on, please. Oh, Cyprus heat in September is no joke. Yeah, so I'm trying to go in the next few weeks, though. Next few weeks. Next few weeks, or like a month at a max. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Okay, we've inverted this fair value gap as well, man. So just fucking move. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. Come on. Do something. Not that. Not that either. Not that. Come on. If you dare. If we get a fat wick to the upside. Oh my god. He's lying. Don't trust this G. Someone said to not trust you, bro. Leave it open. We've come this far. Scale in 2% risk for a 2-pick gain. Scale in. Really? Scale in. Are we really saying scale in? People are saying hold. I'm not going to lie. We're going to have to hold. One person said scale in with 2% risk, which sounds stupid. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You've revisited that area. You clearly want to take the high. You clearly want to take the high. You clearly want to take the high. Come on. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on, chat. Are we out with spreads on the actual other account though? Come on. Yes. Get in there. Come on. Let me make sure it's actually passed on my account. Give me 2 secs. Woohoo! On the dot, boys. Yo, wait. Yo, everyone go over to the YouTube stream, boys. I'm going to show my account so you man can see all the trades we got in this challenge. Everyone go over there. We have finally completed the challenge. Finally completed the challenge, boys. Let's go. Come on, man. Richesse effects on YouTube, boys. Everyone get at Richesse effects on YouTube. I'm going to bang you on pause for 2 seconds while I show my P&L to the chat. If you want to go over there, we'll wait a sec for you to go over there, innit? If you want to go over to the YouTube. I'll show you my P&L. We have just passed an account, boys, on live. Let's go. Big up to everyone in this live. We did it, boys. Challenge passed. First challenge we set ourselves and we passed it. Let's get some dubs in the chat for that, man. Set ourselves a first challenge for these Friday challenges and we've passed it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good job you didn't actually enter that gold trade. Bro, I actually did. Come on. Oh my god. Come on, boys. I'm so gassed we completed that challenge, man. I'm so gassed. Hi, yes, boys, I'm so gassed. Listen, if you want to go over to the YouTube stream, shout out Josh and EK. Trust me, big up Josh and EK. W's in the chat all round, boys. I want to see W spammed in this chat. Not just for me, but for yourselves, boys. You're the man. You're the one who told me to place all these trades. W, let's go. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go. Let's go. We are sitting literally bang on 8%. I'm sure we're like $1 over the line. Let's go, man. Come on. Let's go. And that actually shows, if my TP was like that, you know that 0.1 pip that we needed before, if my TP was that little bit lower, then I would still need like $2 to pass. So, thank God we waited the extra hour to hit that TP. Let's go, man. Come on, boys. Now, let's become a signal provider now. Oh, come on, man. Dubs in the chat, boys. Dubs in the chat. All right, I'm going to go show the live my P&L. Richesse effects on YouTube if you want to see that. I'm going to go show the live my P&L right now. I'm going to bang you on pause for a second. So this is how we're looking. $8 up. Let's go, chat. Oh, let's go. Okay, this is how we're looking today. $120 up today. Overall, let's just go all time. Let's go, chat. Let's go. 9 bills up. 8 bills after spreads and commissions. These are the trades. Didn't even take that many trades. What's our win rate? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. So you might have had 9 trades. I've had 2. No. I don't know. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I've had 2. You guys have had 9. So out of my 2 trades, I lost 1, minus 1, 1, 1, plus 6%. Out of you, man, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 trades. You had 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners. No, 6 winners, 3 losses. Nah, it weren't lagging, bro. I was going on YouTube real quick. Come on. The challenge has been passed, boys. That is such a dub. That is such a big dub in the chat, boys. That is such a dub. That is an absolute dub. Let's go. 10k account has been passed, boys. According to all my followers' trades. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go. That is pure Chad behaviour, man. Let's go, chat. 100 man in here as well. All 100 man of you were here to see us pass the account. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go, boys. Let's go. What a cook that was. What a cook that was. Macy's going to be live now at 1 p.m. Macy's going to be live at 1 p.m. So if you men are still active, everyone go to the YouTube channel. Macy's going to be live at 1 p.m. For the business many times. When I'm putting everything online. Let's go, bruv. Let's go, chat. W's in the chat. Listen, so that account has been passed. That account has been passed. The challenge was to pass an account, taking the trades that only my followers tell me to take. It took us 1 Friday and now the 2nd Friday. So 2 days. And we've passed phase 1, 8%. Smashed it. Smashed it, chat. We smashed it. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, are you going to turn bearish? Nah, bro. I think a lot of people are holding to Asia high anyway. Oh, let's go, man. That is such a dub. That is such a dub. That is such a dub, boys. That is an insane dub. Patient pays, chat. We lit. Trust me, patience pays. Literally, boys, look how long we was waiting for that trade to hit TP for. Look how many times we came back to break even. We came back to break even one, two, three times. 3 separate times we came back to break even. And that was after almost an hour of even sitting in the trade. It took us an hour to even get off a break even. After that, we reached about, what, halfway, like 70% to our profit. And it took us an hour and 10 minutes of pure sideways consolidation. We had to hold through that. And eventually we cooked. You can see we had to hold through all of this consolidation. We did that. And then eventually, yes sir, we cooked. Let's go. Let's actually go, boys. What a beautiful, beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning. It's nearly 1 PM, so it's nearly New York Open. Macy's going to be live for the New York session as well. Let's go. How much are you up on this account now? 8%, bro. It's passed. It is now passed. Count is now passed. Boom. Challenge passed. The count is passed. Let's go. Big up to the chat. Alpha keeps spamming my meta trader. Yeah, me too, bro. Damn, if just put stop loss at 276 instead of 311 would have passed phase 2 on my 100k account. Oh, no way, bro. That's unlucky, man. Yeah, the signals was so unlucky. So unlucky with ESL this morning. So unlucky. But yeah, boys, I'm going to jump off now because Macy's going to be jumping on at 1 o'clock. So 1 PM on our YouTube channel. You, man, we've got about 100 man on YouTube, 20 man on TikTok. So yeah, Macy's going to be live, boys. I don't know if he's going to be running another challenge. I don't know if he's going to be running a giveaway because we passed that challenge. We did pass that challenge, so we might be doing a giveaway. We might be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure. 1 PM, we'll be doing something on YouTube at 1 PM. Macy's going to be live. He's going to be looking for trades. He's hopefully going to play some trades of his own. And then we may even run another challenge or some other giveaways or something like that. But what's the time now? I'm sorry, do you not have the... Do you have the time? It's 20 to 1, bro. Quarter to 1, 20 to 1. So yeah, absolutely big dub there. Big dub. Big dub. Remember I said hold. I don't remember you personally saying that, bro, because your name is a full stop, which makes you insanely hard to remember. But big up to you if you said hold. Big up to you. Gee, you tapping into extreme. People are still looking for trade. Right, yeah, chat, I'm going to jump off now. Big up for all you man tuning in. That is the London session done. London session done. New York session about to start in 20 minutes time. We absolutely cooked the London session, boys. What I'm going to do, I'm going to upload a TikTok right now saying we passed the account. I want every single person who watched us do it, I want you man to comment and say you was there or say what happened, say about holding, say whatever you want to say just so people know it's legit. I want all you man to comment. So there's been about 50 man on the TikTok, about 100 odd man on the YouTube. So yeah, boys, let's all comment on that video and let's just flex on people, boys, because we did it. We passed an account. Tell me who else, what other creator has a community so strong that they can pass a funded account just off purely taking the trades, my chat said. Purely taking the trades at random. Just shows the quality that we have. It's insane. But listen, big up to everyone who tuned into the live, man. Enough respect, enough love for that. You, man, absolutely cooked again. So let's go, man. Absolutely quality day. Big up to everyone who tuned in. And I'll catch you. I'll be in the live stream, boys. I'll be active in the Discord. I'll be in the Discord if you, man, want to join. Discord is linked to my profile on my link tree. If you can't find the link to my Discord or anything, then go to my Instagram, Richesse FX. This is my Instagram. If you can't find anything, just go to my Instagram and everything else is there. Alright, so yeah, big up to all you man who tuned in. Absolute dub day, great day. Appreciate each and every one of you was here. When I drop that TikTok, make sure everyone gets at it. Everyone drops a like and a comment on that. I'm going to eat some lunch and that. I need to fucking have a snout as well because I've not had a vape in time. But yeah, man, absolute dubs in the chat. If you do want to get funded with a prop firm as well, remember, Alpha Capital Group is the best firm for you to go with. They've got the best rules, they've got the cheapest accounts, and they've got the most reliable payouts, and they're based in the UK. So if you are trying to get funded with a prop firm, use my code Richesse. Once you've used my code Richesse, it will give you 15% off any challenge you buy. And I'll also give you 1 week free in the mentorship or the signals, depending on what you want. So yeah, Dub day. Apparently Naz tapped and running. We've got to have a look at that quickly. Yeah, Naz is running right now, which is nice. But yeah, boys, absolute dub day. Absolute dub day. Couldn't have really gone much better, to be honest. We only had one trade and it's EP'd. I mean, the accuracy of this com is just off the fucking charts, boys. Like, genuinely off the charts. But yeah, Dylan's in this trade now as well, so we'll see how this one plays out. Mace might be looking at this over the New York session as well. But yeah, I'm going to stop waffling, boys. Again, if you want to get funded with a prop firm, use code Richesse. It's going to be the best way to get funded with Alpha Capital Group. If you want to get in the signals, then make sure you get in the Discord and you can get in the signals that way through full access. Same way, if you want to get in the mentorship, you can join the Discord and get in the mentorship that way. We have them 2 services and we have a one-to-one service if you want that. Made up for GJ yesterday. Trust me, bro. Yeah, trust me. GJ, oh, mate. Nothing can really make up for that, but this one low-key did. That made fucking no sense. Anyway, boys, I feel like I'm waffling, so I'm going to jump off now. But yeah, big up to everyone in this live, man. I appreciate you tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next live. I'm going to be in the chat for the next live, so I'll see what you lot are saying. Mates will be live at 1 o'clock, which is about 10-15 minutes. I'll be in the chat. We'll be active. Appreciate you, man, watching, and I'll catch you in the next live, people. Sweet, everyone. Big up. Appreciate all you, man, tuning in, boys. Pure dub. Pure dub. This was a decent TikTok stream as well. Views are going up on TikTok as well, chat. I can't lie. Even though I got restricted, we were still cooking on views-wise. But yeah, boys, appreciate all you, man, tuning in. And I'll catch you in the New York live, boys. Sweet.